Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4Shop. Today I want to show you our latest panel for Porsche Cayenne Panamera that we have it on our website, and customers, they're asking for the video. So I'm going to show you how the item works. So that's how the panel looks like. You can get it in different colors. This is the red panel. We do have two other colors. One is tan, the other one is black. So you can order according to the interior of your vehicle. We're just using this car as a sample. The radio is pulled out, vents are out. We just want to show you the panel plus the clock that you can replace with the Porsche clock. So this panel is all plug and play, so your factory plugs plug back to the same item, so you don't lose anything. And there is some buttons here for temperature, up and down, passenger side, driver side, and you can control the heated seat. Whatever is on the panel of original Porsche, you can control them on this unit too. Plus there is like a parking button here that we didn't connect it, but if you want, you can leave it like not functioning, or our unit comes with a harness that it goes to the back of the panel, and this plug goes to basically back of the parking button on the left side. We're going to show you the image shortly. And also basically right now there is a protection on top of this panel to make it more dim, so nighttime it doesn't bother your eye. And this is the only one that basically it doesn't show the backlights. It looks like factory. Maybe you can buy from other factories, but it shows the backlight. You can see the LED backlights, but for this panel you can't. And we make it the way that when you touch it, like by accident, it won't go on unless you hold it for a few seconds, and you can feel some vibration too. So by holding each function by couple seconds, you can make them work. Plus there is one volume knob here, and this is to control the Android screen that we have. So these two, if you don't want to change the screen, these two, they won't function. These are just kind of for decoration. You still can use the hazard light, so it's fully compatible with your panel. The other item that we have, it's to replace the clock. So the reason that you can replace the clock, it gives you a lot of information, plus we didn't take it out to show you. Like this one, you can see the smaller arms of this clock, it dropped inside, so it's not functioning. So you can replace it to our clock that it has a lot of functions. By holding the back button on the steering wheel for a few seconds, the information on the clock, it changes. You can see the speed, you can see the temperature and other information about the oil. And that's the RPM. Plus, if you want to use it as a clock, the hang up button on the steering wheel, if you hold it for a few seconds, we have 19 different style of the time. And again, this is a T-harness that it goes to the back of the radio, and also there is a plug that it replaces the factory power for the actual plug. So it's very easy install, and there's 2 screws that it mounts to the back of this bracket. If you're interested to get these type of units, you can buy them online from 4x4Shop.ca, or you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, and one of our technicians will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you and have a great day.